Good evening, everybody. This is 26th of September. Welcome back to my channel. Let us review the market, what it has done, and let us identify few golden structures in the market. Now I have filtered out for you some 8 stocks. There will be multiple more stocks you can identify. 1 minute chart. This is what the DB's lab has done in the morning. Okay, this is the push up one, pulled back, and then from there on it has been making higher highs. The market is now, when it start reaching to the exhaustions, I should start looking at 3 consecutive highs. 1, 2, 3. If you have some difficulty in understanding the peaks, you can convert this into the line chart and understand the peaks. See, this is the peak 1. Once it is taken out, this is second high, push high. This is third high. All right. So 1, 2, 3. And immediately after the third push high, the market is taken out the low of the second push up. Once this low is broken, I wait for market to come back to the high of the second push up. We'll convert this to candlestick pattern. All right. So let me zoom in. So this is the break in the structure here. Once the structure is broken, this is the first attempt. Market is trying to test the second high. And I start getting into my trade only when it start testing at the third attempt. After the second attempts, I start looking for my pattern. This is the first one. There is a pullback down from this level. Second attempt, pullback down. This is the third attempt. On third attempt, I am looking for a rejection candle, a tail of more than 50% of the body. Immediately, the next immediate candle should engulf the previous rejection candle without taking out the high. Once the engulf is closed, we can take the position here on the sell side. The first nearest swing low is your target as your first target. Then you can go to the next swing low as your second target, and you can continue furthermore with all the lows. So this is what the market has done. All right. Your stop loss goes above the rejection candle high. So let's see how much market has given the momentum here. Your stop loss is around 4 points if you want to do in a future or equity price. And the first target is around 8 points, which is 1:2. The second is around 20 points. And the third is around 34 points. Okay. Let's look at Hindalco. It's a beautiful structure we have in our golden structure. Market has been pushing up higher, made 1, 2, 3 pushes up, takes out this low. This is push 1. This is push 2. This is the last push up higher. Once the low has been taken out of the second peak high, allow market to come and test the high, the price area. It may not exactly do the same price testing. Sometime market will not exactly reach to the same price. Below this price, it may test 3 times and fall down. Sometime markets go past this price, high of this price. It will test couple of times there and then fall down. So you have to understand the variations in the market. So it will help you to understand not exactly the same, entry criteria will be available all the time, that it should come and test this price. But I prefer that market should at least touch this level once, and then probably second or third time it may be above that or below that. That doesn't matter for me. We can take the trade. So that is a high probability trade. So market has taken out the second peak high down, comes back again. This is the first attempt, pull back down. This is second attempt, pull back down. This is third attempt. On third attempt, I get my rejection candle, and there is a single candle engulf. The candle has closed. Take your position from here, sell side. Your SL goes above this high, and the first target is your nearest swing low. This swing lows and all these swing lows. Market has just missed third target. But what I have observed and what I have been telling in all my videos, your first target is 100% done. After that, it is your trailing. Whenever you stopped out, you can keep moving. After the first target is done, you can start moving your stop loss, 50% of this move. If market wants to come back, at least you are in the profit, and then you will be stopped out. Otherwise, you can continue. So once you hit your second target, you can bring your stop loss to your first target area, and then you can continue following it, right? All right, so let's see the Bank of Baroda. It has also given you the same move. While it is exhausting, I have three peaks up, 1 2. Now this 2 is equal, I'm considering it, because as close as possible there. So 1 2 3. This is the first peak, this is the second peak, this is the third peak. The next market has to take out the low of the first push up, and then market has to come back to the same second push up high. Now in this scenario, the market is trying to test at this level. This is the first push up, 1 2 3. After the second attempt, 1 2, I am start looking for my rejection candle, and once there is a close below that, you can start selling from here. Your first target is the first swing low. SL goes above this. All right, so here is a very good example. After hitting the first target, the market has not continued down, it has pulled back. So if you would have moved your SL 50% of this move, you could have got stopped out, but then still you would have been in profit, right? So let's hope that market will continue down further, taking out all these swing lows. Don't try to counter trade this market once this structure is established and trade is initiated. Most of the times it will fall. It will pull back and keep falling till it goes and consumes all the liquidity while going up. All right. Let's go to the Bharat Forge. Now here is little bit clumsy kind of candlestick formation. If you are unable to find out a structure, you can always convert to the line structure. You can start looking at this V valleys kind of structure. This is this kind of structure, deep pullback and then push ups. So this will help you to understand the peaks. Okay, so probably you can take this. So this is your push up 1, this is your push 2, this is your push 3. Okay, so we'll wait for the low of second push up to be taken out. Market has taken out here. We'll allow market to come to the high of the second peak, and then we'll look for our selling patterns. So this is the first, after breaking out, this has been taken out here by this move down. Market has come back. This is the first attempt at this level, pulls back, second attempt, pulls back, third attempts. Now I'm started looking for my candlestick pattern rejections. Now this is not a rejection and this is not engulfing at the fourth attempt. So still I wait here. This is the fifth attempt. I didn't get. This is the sixth attempt. On sixth attempt, I get a rejection candle and I get an engulfing candle. Below this, I sell below this. Your first target is the swing low, the first nearest swing low. It's always achievable. 100% of the time it goes there, and then you can start trailing it to the next swing lows and all. Hope you're getting all along the videos. Okay, now you start taking these major moves which will help you to understand the structure. But if I understand there is a small structure here as well, and the entry could have been much earlier, which I'm avoiding to tell you. People can go to the line chart and understand by themselves. It will be very helpful. Let's move to the Cummins India. Morning, it has given a pullback after falling down. Made 3 lower lows. Not interested here. Market starts trending up. 1, 2, 3, 4. The last 3 highs are this. Once this low has been taken out. So this is the first move up. This is the second push up. This is the third push up. I wait for the low to be taken out. The second push up low is taken out here. Wait for market to come at this price area. Now see, in this case, the market has gone past this price area, not above the high, third high. and he has given three momentum high here and the entry. Just convert this to the line chart. You see this? One push, second, third, right? So come back to your candlestick. This is the first push, second push, third push. After third, second and third, start looking for my selling candlestick pattern. This is the rejection candle. See this? I wait for a close below this. The next candle has closed below this. If I zoom in furthermore, you can see this candle has closed as close to the open price of this candle. However, I take the position here, keeping my SL at the high of this rejection candle. And the first target is a swing low, nearest swing low. So this is the nearest swing low. I am expecting market to clear all this liquidity by taking out all these swing lows. So probably it may continue tomorrow down. We don't know. So first target is always 100% achievable. Let's go to the HDFC Life. I have already marked for you here. You can easily identify the market has been started moving up after 11-12 o'clock. This is the first push up, second and third. This is one. All these highs together are two, and this is the third high. I'm looking at a closure above the highs, and then once the low has been broken of the second push up, wait for market to come here. Now this is a good variation in our structure. The market has not come to the same price. All right, look at it. Market has not come to this level. It has been testing below this level. I generally avoid market making this kind of structure. Reason is why? Because it start building liquidity on these peaks and on these lows. And what it means, if I draw a rectangle here, the market mostly tries to take out the liquidity. So let's say if you are selling here and then it just spikes up, takes out the liquidity and may continue up or may reverse back. Okay, so you are going to get stopped out here. Similarly, he can do from the below side. He can take out the liquidity from the low. He can take out all the liquidity from here, pull back and then continue, or may pull back and go in opposite directions. So generally avoid this kind of testing of these structures if it is very far away. My suggestion is that. But if you are going to trade, you should be looking your entry of rejection candles after the two attempts. So probably if you avoid this, it's fine. Otherwise, if you're getting into the entry, remember your stop loss is always small and your reward is very high. If you have got entered here, likewise after breaking of this low has been taken out. Market makes first attempt, second attempt. On third attempt, I start looking for my rejection candle. This is where you can get this. And then a closure below that. Go below this. This is your first target here and the second target down there. Almost gone there, but did not touch your price. Okay. So you can avoid this. But then if you want to trade, it can be traded. Let's go to Hind Copper. Exactly same thing. Push 1, push 2, push 3. Break in structure. Pulls back. Now this here is exactly same as your HDFC Life. See this structure between the Hindustan Copper. Only difference is the Hindustan Copper is very close to this price. Now this we can take a trade. Once it is broken, you can see the price coming once, twice, thrice, and then this is the fourth attempt. Rejection candle here, engulfing below, go selling. Your first target is the swing low, and then continue with other swing lows. Let's go to the Lupin. It's exactly same thing. First peak formation, second peak formation. This is third peak formations. Market takes out the low of the second peak formations. Wait for market to come here. Now here the market has gone even the high of the third peak, but it has not closed. So it's still valid. First attempt pulls back, second attempt pull back, third attempt. I am looking for my rejection candle. Third attempt, there is no rejection candle. I have my pattern here. rejection candle, and then you can see there is a small closing below. So you can just go selling here, and your first target is nearest swing low. So these are the trades of today, and fifth successive trades in the video. Hope everybody is trying to practice this pattern. If you have any issues, rewind this, and I have my couple of videos back. You can go and watch that also. It will help you to understand structure in details. Thank you so much, and all the best.